The function f is defined by f of x equals to 4x positive k times x negative 1, where k is a constant, and f of 5 equals to 32. What is the value of f of 10? In the given function f of x, we have to find the value of f of 10. The function f of x over here contains an unknown constant k. To get the value of f of 10, first we have to find the value of this constant k. For that, we have to use this information, that is f of 5 equals to 32. Let's use Desmos to solve this problem. In my first step, I'm going to take this function f of x as input in Desmos. That is f of x equals to 4x positive k times x negative 1. Now, to get the value of the constant k over here, we have to use this information. Now, we have to take this one as input in Desmos. When I take this one as input in Desmos, for equal sign, I have to use tilde. Okay, let me do it. That is f of 5. Instead of equal sign, we have to use tilde 32. Here, I got the value of the constant k in Desmos, that is k equals to 3. Now, we can find the value of f of 10. To get the value of f of 10, we have to take this f of 10 as input over here in Desmos. That is f of 10. Here I got the value of f of 10, that is 67.